1 less than mod of 2x minus 3 less than equal to 9. So it's a combination of both types of question we have seen. So what we will do is we'll break this question into two parts. Okay. 1 less than mod 2x minus 3 एक part होगा, and 2x minus 3 less than equal to 9 दूसरा part होगा, right? We'll solve them separately, and we want both of the conditions to hold true. So we'll take the common part. Okay. So solving 1 less than 2x minus 3, we saw that 2x minus 3 1 से बड़ा कब होगा? जब 2x minus 3 खुद 1 से बड़ा होगा. Okay. Mod of 2x minus 3 1 से बड़ा तब होगा when 2x minus 3 खुद 1 से बड़ा होगा and 2x minus 3 minus 1 से छोटा होगा, right? Solving them separately, 2x minus 3 is more than 1. Okay, taking minus 3 on the right hand side will become plus 3. This one will become plus 3. So 2x should be greater than 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, so x is greater than 2. Same thing you can do here, right? Take minus 3 on the right hand side will become plus 3. 3 minus 1 will be 2. So 2x less than 2, x is less than 1, right? So इसी रीजन को इसी पर्टिकुलर रीजन को हम लोग डिनोट करते हैं डायग्राम यूज करके. ओके, ऑन द नंबर लाइन आई हैव प्लॉटेड 1 and 2. ओके, x जो है 2 से बड़ा होगा और 1 से छोटा होगा, राइट? सो दिस इज द ब्लू रीजन. Okay, and of course the diagram will extend on both sides infinitely. Okay, now taking the second condition, mod of 2x minus 3 should be less than equal to 9. इसका मतलब 2x minus 3 खुद जो होगा minus 9 से 9 के बीच लाया करेगा. We have seen this previously, mod x equal to 5 के example से, right? So now adding 3 everywhere, you will get minus 6 less than equal to 2x less than equal to 12. Divide by 2, you will get minus 3 less than equal to x less than equal to 6. Okay, so now this particular region we plot by minus 3 to 6. Okay, I denote this with the help of a yellow diagram. You can see this, right? The yellow diagram. Okay, now guys, the answer which we require is the green region, right? The common part between the yellow and the blue part, the green region. So what is this green region, guys? It is minus 3 से लेके 1 and 2 से लेके 6, right? So this is the required answer. Minus 3 to 1 union 2 to 6. Okay, remember minus 3 पे the bracket I have used is a square bracket because minus 3 is inclusive. Okay, x can be equal to minus 3, right? Minus 3 less than equal to x less than equal to 6. यहाँ पे ऐसा है ना, right? So x can be equal to minus 3, also x can be equal to plus 6. इसके लिए 6 के लिए हमने क्या यूज किया है? Square bracket here, right? Okay, now guys, many times they ask you find the number of integral solutions for the given equation. अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन होता तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम पहले सॉल्व करके पहली बात तो ये आंसर लेके आते हैं. ओके, minus 3 to 1 union 2 to 6. एंड यहाँ पे हम काउंट करते हैं कितने इंटीजर्स है अपने आंसर में, राइट? सो minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. ओके, 1 इंक्लूड नहीं होना चाहिए x के लिए, राइट? सो 1 से कम जितने इंटीजर है हम वो सारे ले लेंगे minus 3 तक. ओके, सिमिलरली 2 से लेके 6 तक, एक्सक्लूसिव ऑफ 2 we have 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 4 integers. So 4 plus 4, we have exactly 8 integer solutions for the given question, and that's the answer. Let's go on to the next question, guys. How many distinct integer values of n satisfy the inequality mod of n minus 3 plus 4 less than equal to 12? Right? So I want you to just try out this video. You can pause it and okay, so I want you to try out this question. You can pause the video and continue to look at the solution. Okay, so we have mod of n minus 3 plus 4 less than equal to 12. Okay, it is a nested mod wala question. Mod के अंदर mod आ गया, right? So guys, okay, let's ignore this wala under wala mod first. Okay, there is a term, let's say a. Okay, so the first part of the question is mod of a should be less than equal to 12. We have studied this, guys. When this happens, okay, a has to be greater than minus 12, greater than equal to in this case, and less than plus 12. Okay, okay, now you replace this part here saying, okay, mod of n minus 3 plus 4 will be greater than minus 12 and it will be less than 12. Now guys, mod of n minus 3 will be any value greater than or equal to 0, right? उसमें आप plus 4 कर रहे हो, means ये वाला part जो होगा this will be 4 या फिर उससे ज्यादा. So it is definitely sure वो minus 12 से greater होगा ही होगा, right? That means this part of the equation need not be solved. Why? This is going to be always true, right? It's going to be always true. Okay, that means the only part we need to solve is mod of n minus 3 plus 4 should be less than equal to 12, or mod of n minus 3 should be less than equal to 8. Okay, that means minus 8 से greater than equal to होगा n minus 3 और 8 से less than equal to होगा, right? Okay, ये n minus 3 की बात है, हमें n चाहिए, so we add 3 on both sides. We have 5 less than equal to n less than equal to ये sorry 3 है ना, 11 हो जाएगा. So minus 5 से लेके 11. Okay, I have told you before also, If there are a to b consecutive integers, कितने integers है कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? b minus a plus 1. So 11 minus 5 will be 16 plus 1. Your answer is option C, 17. Right? It's not that difficult. Okay, once you understand the concept behind this, it becomes really very, very easy.